Hi all, today we will discuss about NL command. So like we are reading using cat. Okay, let me list out all the files which are present in current working directory. So I'm in /root and files are anaconda.ks.cfg. So for temporary purpose I'm using this cat anaconda.ks.cfg. Okay, is a very long list file having multiple lines. Okay, so this will be good overall. So using a cat we open this file, but if you use nl anaconda.cfg you will able to see this command will give the line number to all the lines but excluding the blank line. Like this blank line will not get the number, this line will get the number. Let me show you. See, blank line is not getting any number, so it's showing line number to the line which are containing some content. So as per this 57 line which are having the content in this file. If you want to see the blank file will also get the number, so you have to use nl-ba then file name. So total line are 64 in this anaconda.cfg. This blank line like here 55, 57 also getting a number. So in this manner if you want to read the file with the file line number you can use nl, and if you want to use you want to give a line number to blank line as well, you can use ba and the file name like test. Okay, and test.sh also there. In this manner you can get the result with the line number if you want to. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session.